Everyone. Now we are going to discuss about globalization and its impacts. Unit 1 Environmental Concern. The subject is Environmental and Agriculture. So, the globalization. The modern world is seen as the world without geographical boundaries and any kind of barriers. Globalization has been the major force behind this. Globalization is the integration of the world economy and exchanging the ideas, products, technologies, etc. The globalization hit India late but had huge impact on the nation economic policies and various aspects. So globalization is the process of international integration arise from the interchange of world views, products, ideas and other aspects of culture. And also globalization means rapid increase in the share of economic activities taking place across national borders. So here integration of economics, the increasing reliance of economics on each other, the opportunity to be able to buy and sell in any country in the world, the opportunities for labor and capital to locate anywhere in the world, the growth of global market in finance. So here various aspect of globalization: trades and transaction, capital and investment movement, migration, dissemination of knowledge, and added with economic, technological, political, cultural, demographic and environmental. So various dimensions of globalization: economic, political, cultural, ideological, society, politics, economic and environmental. These are all the integrated dimensions of globalization. So here the reason for globalization is improved transport, making global traveler easier. For example, there has been a rapid growth in air travel, enabling greater movement of people and goods across the globe. So the main reason is better resources, low cost of production, dilution of the local market, operating internationally, market expansion, increased profit. And also it improved technology which makes it easier to communicate and share information around the world. For example, internet. So Indian economy, globalization of Indian economy. Indian economy adopt the policy of restriction after the independence. But in 1991, due to the economic crisis, the government of India decided to open its market for the foreign investments. The new economic policies adopted had impact on every sector of the Indian economy. So these are all the major policies changes. In India has seen weak investment sentiment through most of this decade as private sector deleveraging, weakening bank balance sheets and persisting excess capacity has hindered the ability of companies to invest in new capacity. So here the major policy changes: license abolishing, dilution of monopolitics and restrictive trade practice, that is MRTP Act changes, foreign investment encouraged, fiscal reforms, external sector reforms, outward looking policy, public sector reforms. In India needs specialist financial agencies to do some the heavy lifting as well as an active corporate bond market. One possible option is to let commercial bank focus on loan to small and medium enterprises, while large product and project are founded by specialist bank and the corporate bond market. So finally, we come for the conclusion. Globalization had increased the trade of production, ideas, technologies, and it created the world without boundaries. But it also had some negative impact on the developing countries. It flows with globalization. India is shining in nearly every prospect. India is getting a global recognition and slowly moving towards to become a major economic and political strength. Though the development is progressing rapidly, still many basic problems like rural poverty, corruption and political instability remains unsolved. Thank you.